Howdy, everybody. Fall of 2017, Alvin College granted students access to Office 365, and with it came a student email account. And as part of this program, the college has mandated that all official communications between the students and the faculty will be through Office 365 and through the student's email account. Many of you really don't necessarily want to check your student email every day. You're probably not going to get a lot of messages from it, but it is really important that you at least read the messages on somewhat of an ongoing basis, because that's the way that we will be communicating with you with official changes to classes, maybe some notifications, there's some missing classwork, something like that, which could be very important and very important to your final grade and to the course that you take towards your degree. So we want to make sure that you check your email. Now, again, I know that's not going to happen with everybody. There is a simple method that you can use so that you can continue to check just your personal email by forwarding your college email to your personal email account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. But I do want to make one quick note. If you forward the email to your personal account, you cannot simply hit reply to answer an email. You will then have to log into the college account to reply to an email you get. And we'll say that a few times because I know that I've had forwarded emails and I've replied. What happens when you reply is it goes back to your account, not the sender's account. And I've done that with previous email accounts that I've forwarded myself. So it will happen. When you get back and get your reply, then you should know that you need to actually get into the account. Anyway, let me get out of the way and we'll go ahead and get started on the quick procedure to set this up. So first you need to log into 365 and get into your mail account. Click on Mail. Once that opens up, we're going to go over to this cog up here and click on this, and it will bring up several setting options. Scroll down on the setting options until you get to the mail options. When you click on Mail, other options are going to show up here on the left-hand side. What we're looking to do is the inbox and sweep rules. Click on that, and then it's going to come up. It will either give you options of doing sweep rules, which will work to clean up your account on a periodic basis, but what we're looking for is the inbox rules. We're going to create a new one by just hitting a plus. It's going to want you to name it. We'll just call this forward so that we kind of know what it's about. Then you're going to select which messages to forward. Now we want to select all the messages. So what we're going to do is scroll down to My Name Is in the To and CC box. So any email you get in should have your name in it somewhere, and either the To or the carbon copy box. So when you select that, you should get all of your mail. Then we need to select what we're going to do with the mail. We're going to go down to Forward, Redirect, or Send, and we want to hit Forward the message to. Now, if you've got the name in your contacts, then you just select it. Probably you won't have it in there, so you'll simply type it in here. And I'm going to send this to the ACC criminal justice account that I have set up in Gmail so that I can do these videos that you're looking at. And once I get that, then you're going to click on Save. And that's all you need for this rule. So you can actually add other actions if you want. You can add exceptions if you want. We don't need to do that here. So we simply click on OK. And then we're going to close this out by clicking back on this option. And that brings us back to our inbox. Now I've already got an email set up, a test email set up to send from my personal account to to my college account. So I will hit Send and get back over here, and let's see how quickly it comes over. Earlier some of them were coming rather instantly, others were taking their sweet time to come, and apparently this is going to be one of those ones that's going to take its sweet time. So let me go ahead and hit refresh. refresh, and maybe it will pull it. And then that's it. Yep, sometimes it's quick, sometimes it's not. There we go. We got an email reply. Here's our test message. Just saying it's a test message. Now, I've also got my criminal justice, ACC criminal justice account email open, and you'll see here is my test message. It actually will tell you in the from line who it came from. This came from my personal account, so you will know what account it came from. But if you click on the simple reply button and type your reply, what will happen, again, how quickly we'll see, is once it sends, then I've got a response right here. Whoops. Sorry. This is my reply back in my account, not to the original sender. So what you'll have to do if you've got an email that needs a reply, you will then know that, and that time you need to log into Office 365, the Alvin Community College Office 365, go to your email, find the message, and reply to it from there. You'll probably want to log into it every once in a while anyway to clean up all your old messages, because reading the message on your personal email will not mark that message as read on your ACC account. But that's it. That's very simple. Should be easy for all of you all to do. If you have any questions, give me a call or send me an email, which will not be forwarded to my personal account, as I spend more time on the AC account than any other. So with that said, though, good luck with your email.